Hi, my name is Erika and I am a licensed marriage and family therapist. Some of my specialties include obsessive compulsive disorder, anxiety disorders, and eating disorders. I am also highly experienced in treating other conditions including mood disorders, PTSD, autism, and ADHD. When I see a client for the first time, I always do my best to meet them wherever they are at. I always like to inform my clients that therapy is a collaborative process and their input is paramount in reaching their goals. Every client has their own unique story, and it takes time, trust, and attunement to fully conceptualize and understand how their past, present, and anticipation of the future informs how they get from one day to the next. With a strong rapport, commitment to the therapy process from both client and clinician, and solid clinical skills, effective and lasting change can happen.